Okay, it's time to get this room. It's going to be my craft room. It's going to take a little while. Dusty's here to help me. But we're going to paint and repaper. And I think it's going to work out great. This was supposed to be my grandchildren's bedroom. But not no more. It'll be my craft room. Just giving you an update. Talk to you later. Bye. Well, here it is. Thus far, the old office is almost stripped. The wallpaper's gone. Look at that. Got to do some patching. The carpet is gone. Got to kills all this floor. I've just got a few things in here. But it's getting there. It's going to be my new craft room. Can't wait to see it. Anyway, I'll share with you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Wow, look at this now. The room looks bigger than I ever thought it would. 2 walls here. Gonna be wallpaper. We did Dusty did a base coat of primer and the off-white. And I'm gonna do this little bit of the ceilings today as long as I can and the windowsill. But yeah, I'm watching Wanda right now. This is the room. This will be my craft room. I'm so excited. We're so close. Catch up with you soon. Bye. Well, here we are. My wallpaper is up. 2 walls of paper. You know I love my roses. I still need to do some touch-up painting. And I've got to fix that corner up there that just needs more paste. And yeah, we're about 3/4 of the way there. I have to finish this up, get the kills all on the floor. The last thing I'll have to do is my cupboards, because my cupboards are out in the garage. And we'll have to do that this summer. But anyway, love my roses. Isn't it going to be gorgeous? It looks like a little bedroom, but this is going to be my 10.5 by 10.5 foot craft room. So stay tuned, buddy. What does that mean? Stay tuned, everyone. I'll be back in a little bit. See you soon. Bye. Take good care. Well, hi, everyone. I don't know what day this is, but I've got all the trims done. The wallpaper is trimmed. Ceiling is finished. I still have to do my closet doors, but that will come because they're in the garage. Move my husband's poor man thinks I'm moving him out. But I moved some of his things into the other bedroom. I've just been here with my old desk and my laptop. I've been watching Wendy and Claire today. And yeah, this is it. Tomorrow I'm gonna kills all the floor and then we'll get that down. And then baseboards and start moving stuff in. Anyway, this is what I've been doing. I'll try to get a video out. But for the time being, I'm busting my little old butt here. But it's been good. So, here you go. See you later. Hugs. Have a great day. Bye. Hello, everyone. Here's an update. Oh, my goodness. The floor is in. The baseboards are in. I just need to do a little caulking around the edges. And we are going to be ready to put things in here. I'm so excited. Can't wait. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so darn good. Anyway, see you in a little bit. Bye. Hi, everyone. All right, don't laugh. I wasn't kidding. Everything is in here except my resin. station. So, I have got to make room. You know, I'm getting there, but wait till you see. You know, I'm coming around the corner. I used everything I had. Dressers, shelves, a little table. Actually, my Cricut is behind that little table. Oh my God, dried flowers. Wallpaper looks good, doesn't it? Oh, you can almost see the floor. Yeah, I've got stuff since I was a kid, I swear. Totes. Look at this. This is the inside of the closet without the doors. Totes, picture frames. Then if you go up, oh dear God, there's more stuff. Look at, it's maddening. It's maddening, but, oh geez. So that's what you can see basically from the walls. But now, don't laugh because I'm in a world of hurt here. Look at this. Look at this. I have to find a place for most. There's the floor. Looks great. Oh, heaven help me. Anyway, this is my big work in process. I mean, progress. The floor's in, the walls are done, the painting's done, except for my, you know, cupboards that are outside in the garage. It's just a matter of where in heaven's name am I going to put the rest of this stuff. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. This is what I've been up to. Take good care. Sending hugs. Bye. Hello, everyone. Ooh, are you ready for the big reveal? I have done the best I could do. This is my new craft/studio. Here we go. I'm going to the right. That right there is my old desk. When I worked in manufacturing for almost 20 years, I was able to bring my desk home. And we'll just go to the right here. I've got, oh my God, shelves. I'll back up a little bit. 3 sets of shelving. I have all my resin goodies, a bunch of shoe boxes. I need to make labels for everything. I've got things on the top. Oh my gosh. And then there's the second bookcase. Oh, all kinds of sorting was done, I'm telling you. All kinds of sorting. So there's some pattern books. That plastic case right there is full of beads. Coming around to the window. I put my desk sideways this way so I can look outside. That's my patio to the backyard, but you know, it is still winter. We had snow again this morning. So anyway, I wanted to look out the window as I worked. There's my beautiful peace lily. Those colored drawers there are full of dried flowers. I've got a file cabinet. My laptop right now is sitting on my printer so I can watch YouTube while I'm in here. I just hung up these big seashells that belong to my mother, and I'm gonna, I don't know, I might resin some greenery in there or just pot something small, plant something small. But they've been in my other closet for, well, ever since she's passed, and now I can put them out in display. Coming to the corner, there's another shelf with all my little containers. That's mainly what I do, put in my resin pieces, just the little its and bits and tiny things. This dresser here, that was my dresser when I was a little girl. My father made that, and I've kept that through the years. Nothing in here is anything I bought. This is just stuff I had at the house. There's my beautiful wallpaper. The only thing I bought was the paint, the flooring, and the wallpaper. And speaking of the flooring, look at that. It's a beautiful wooden gray floor. Love that. This little desk area is where my Cricut is. And I've only used my Cricut twice, so geez, now I can have a place for it set up. That's all consolidated in one area. And then my little catch-all tool thing. Let's see. Oh, this picture up here of the roses, that was my mom's. So I have a piece of my mom here in my room. And there we have just oh, this old stand was in my dad's house for years. I've got my paints there and my paintbrush. Now I'm going to hit this corner where the closet is. The doors are not hung. They are in the garage. They've been sanded and they still need to be hung. But this corner is stuff I've got to use. I have, oh God, you're going to just look at this. Totes, yarn. I have lots of yarn. I love yarn. The big black case there is embroidery stuff, picture frames, more yarn. Oh, help me. More stuff, more yarn. Look at that. That's an organized, I'm an organized hoarder, is what I'm saying. Okay, now, oh, what do we have here? This is my little knitting bag. This goes with me if I go anywhere where I have to knit, right there. It's really handy. Put all my stuff in there. Under that is my mom's old knitting box. I have her knitting needles and all of her supplies in there. I did recover it because it was pretty beat up. Then here, this little iron rack, I added a couple plants today. This is beads. My neighbor moved a few months ago and said, "You want some beads?" I said, "Oh God, yeah, I want some beads." And up here is an embroidery I did a long time ago. Isn't that something? Beautiful pink with a pink rose. And then, as I was finishing up, I needed one more tote. I didn't have one more tote, so I had to empty a tote. And this is what I did. Let me shut the door. I emptied a tote. And now I have my silk flower wall or silk flower door. Now that's just a shoe holder I had because I was gonna plant herbs in it. You can hang those on your fence and plant herbs. And then at the bottom I just have some extra paintbrushes and glue. So there it is, my friends. Now I am satisfied. I can get to being creative. I have a beautiful workspace. Oh, look at these what are these little characters doing right here? Well, hello. How come you're not in a box? Oh, I see. They are going to be in our next video. These little characters here are so cute. They're going to be in our next video for an Easter project. Whoops, sit up. And the secret lies within that box. So until I see you next time, thank you, everyone. This is why I've been a little behind and a little late and started this project the end of January. She's done. So I still have to resin in the other back room in the porch, but I don't think I can move that in here. We'll see. I might. But if I'm doing something crafty and simple in here, we could do a live and you'll see my beautiful background. So I'm babbling now. Thank you, everybody. I'm waving. Take good care. I'm sending hugs. And we'll see you next Sunday. Bye.